We are struggling with the inflation, but we are resilient. We call on the government to intervene, improve infrastructure. It's getting harder to move my goods. The transport costs have doubled.
People are not buying clothes like before. Sales have dropped so much.
We've heard their stories. Traders young and old, each one surviving, not thriving. These voices deserve.
Using Google VEO 3, very simple. So you can use this strategy to create different kind of videos that you want without wasting time. Let us get started. Okay, all right, now let me show you some of the videos I already created recently before we get started with the tutorial. As you can see, this is, let me play the video.
We are struggling with the inflation, but we are resilient. We call on the government to intervene, improve infrastructure. We are struggling with the inflation, but we are resilient. We call on the government to intervene, improve infrastructure.
Wow.
We are struggling with the inflation, but we are resilient.
Okay guys, let me play the second video. As you can see,
it's getting harder to move my goods. The transport costs have doubled.
People are not buying clothes like before. Sales have dropped so much.
You can see, take a look at the quality of the video. I mean, this is 4K quality, and then look at it, look at this, look at that. Now,
it's getting harder to move my goods.
As you can see, these entire videos were just created using a prompt. Now look at the prompt. You can see this is a prompt I used to create this particular video, and also this is a prompt. Now one thing you notice here, before we proceed, one thing that you notice here is the consistency of the character. You know, this is the character. Look at the same character here. You see, wearing the same clothes. You know, where is one thing that I'm going to teach you on how to do as we continue with this tutorial. Please stay, make sure you watch the end. Now you see the first character is wearing the same clothes with the second character, and also wearing the same clothes. Can you see? So the consistency of the character is very important. So oh, you may be telling yourself, oh, but I'm using a mobile phone. How can I be able to do it this on desktop? Oh, don't worry, the process is the same with desktop. The process of doing it on mobile phone is still the same thing you are going to do on your mobile on the desktop, and also the mobile phone is the same. So as I am doing this on desktop, you can also do the same thing using a mobile phone. So there is no difference. So you follow along. Now let's go. Okay, so I am going to start from scratch. Let us start from scratch. Then we are going to create this video from scratch. Now first of all, I'm going to type Google VEO 3. Now click. When you enter, you're going to see create with VEO 3 in Gemini. Now you can create, you can try that, or you just click on let us click on create video 3 create with VEO 3 in Gemini. So you are going to tap on that. Now it's going to bring you to this page. Now after bringing you to this page, note something. If you are registering for the first time on VEO Gemini, you are going to be given the privilege to use 1 month for free. You are going to use it 1 month for free with your you are going to input your card details 1 month for free. So if you want to, after 1 month, if you want to continue, you can leave it, but if you don't want to continue, you can cancel at any time. So you can see that is how it is. Very simple. So now let's click on try VEO 3. So okay guys, so there is an important tip I'm going to teach you at the end of the tutorial. So I want you to stay pay attentive and stay to the very end of this video, because you will not like to miss it. So because I've already registered on the platform, it's now automatically taking me into my account, and as you can see, I'm already into my account. And look at the project I've already prepared before. Look at the project I've already prepared: the voice of resilience and Samaria generation, Samaria scene, and that. So this is because I've already registered. I've logged in my details, so it automatically logged me into it. So for the, if you are registering for the first time, you have to put your email address. After putting your email address, they will tell you to use, they're going to allow you to use it for 1 month, and because of that, you are going to input your card details, and once you are done, that's it. Then you will come to this page. Now when you come below, you're going to see an option that say describe your video. As you can see, it says describe your video. That's very good. So now this is where we are going to start writing the prompt. Okay, now in the aspect of writing the prompt, if you are good in typing, or if you have your idea of writing the prompt, then it's very good. You can go direct and start writing your prompt. But for what I used to do is that I use ChatGPT to generate my prompt. And now let us go. Now let us move on to ChatGPT to generate our prompt. So now let me refresh. Okay, as you can see, now we are on ChatGPT, and now let's create a new chat. Let's give a moment. So okay, now let's create a new chat. Now we are here. I am going to ask ChatGPT to create. All right, I'm going to type, okay, hi, I want to create a video using VEO3 of that is a Lagos market. In Lagos market, snowing, street interviewer interviewing people while snow falls on their body. Okay, noun, write a one full sentence prompt. Give a detail. Okay, give every scene detail and in 4K quality. All right, now let's wait for ChatGPT to do the right thing. Now as you can see, ChatGPT is generating the prompt already. All right, so you can see, okay, we can actually make an adjustment. Let us try to bring out a speech. Now let the interviewer talk, say, okay, let the interviewer ask people about the snow since it's a strange thing in Nigeria. Using Pidgin English. All right, Pidgin English. All right, now let's give an adjustment. All right, okay, so Oga, how you take see this snow for Nigeria and you don't ever see this kind of thing before us? Okay, so now we can copy our prompt. Now let's copy the prompt. So we will copy the prompt, then we now move on to our VEO, then we now paste. So we paste the prompt. You can actually make it market street magically covered in snow, where a lively street interviewer in a winter coat goes from stall to stall asking surprised locals in pidgin English, "Oga, how you take see this snow for Niger and you don't ever see this kind thing before?" As snow falls softly on colorful Ankara fabrics, steaming puff stalls, and laughing children making snowballs with slow motion close-ups of snowflakes landing on vibrant umbrellas, while shawls of shocked market women wrapped shawls tighter and okay, now like as you can see guys, so now we can send. Let's the magic begin. Okay guys, it's starting, so it's just a second. All right, now see, it's generating our video. It will take up to 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so guys, we're going to let us wait for our video to be fully generated, then we get started. We continue from where we stopped. Alright guys, our video is fully ready. Alright, as you can see now, let us test it and see what we've got.
Oga, how you see this snow for Niger? You know,
Okay guys, it's still trying to load. As you can see, this is an amazing stuff. I think my network
never see this kind of thing before. Oga, how you see this snow for Niger?
You can see,
never see this kind of thing before.
Detailed this video is. So this
Oga,
is the power of
how you see this snow for Niger?
So this is very simple. As you can see, with just a prompt, you are able to generate any video you want. This is the same strategy you can employ to generate different kind of prompts, some kind of videos, anything you want to create at all. You just have to write the prompt or tell ChatGPT to write the prompt for you, and you are good to go. So now, like I said earlier, this is the same thing, the same process. Everything, the step is the same when you are using a mobile phone to do it. The reason I used system is because that is what I am disposed to that is what I am using currently. So what you're going to do is still the same process, the same step, everything when you are using a mobile phone. Thank you so much. I hope to see you. Please, if you are able to use this means to generate your own video, you can drop the link of that video in the group in the comment section. I want to look at that video and see how you are very creative with this amazing AI tool. Thank you. I want to really thank you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumb up, like, subscribe, and yeah, subscribe, because I will be, from time to time, I will be posting videos on new AI features that will help you to skyrocket your business, your channel, and also everything about you entirely. So here we are. Welcome. Thank you. Good to see you next time. So bye bye.